Fortunately, I won as one of the best dressed male. Ayun. And guys, you know what? Ako po yung nanalo guys. Of course, Wang Bag, alright? So, good morning mga ka-mindset. We have another interesting and very special vlog for today because our vlog for today is about unboxing Wang Bag. This is an Ollie Bag, and welcome back to my channel. We're actually located here in SM Seaside, Cebu. Alright. So, andito pa tayo sa, I think this is their garden area. So guys, actually, last year, I actually have a bag that is not a Wang Bag. Another bag guys from another company that I bought. So for how many times I used it, for how many weeks and how many days na ginagamit ko after how many months, nag-wear out din siya, no? And then here comes an opportunity. Ma'am Wang would like to let us vlog their grand opening for Wang Bag Cebu near Plaza Independencia, Osmeña Boulevard. And I was happy, I was actually part of it. I get the chance. Also, if you're going to open up this, guys, you can actually put yung mga power banks nyo, ayun, power banks nyo, and then also you can put your charger, and then yung pocket nyo, ayun. Yeah.